Alright, so welcome back to Smile Jamaica, everybody. Here is something that you guys can do with the entire family this summer. If you visit the beach, you can take time out to collect stones and use them to do very creative things. So this morning we'll be showing you a few ways to design these stones, and then you can like keep them in your house or something. Can be a memento of your little trip. All you need is some paint.
And you're allowed to just take out the people in the store and carry it to your house.
Brushes. Of course.
Okay.
And stones.
All right, I'm going to do something.
Wait no man, so let's go through the, you're going to go through the list?
Apparently them going to show, look at that. Go show back the things, no? Show back the things, no? Yeah.
Okay, what is on them though? I don't even know. So these are the little ones. Start with the little ones. Creative story stones. Use the stones to tell a story. Paint pictures on the stones and ask your child to tell you what it is about. Really? Okay. My story is about... Is that a story you're writing?
This not going to make sense. Yeah, but it's not going, what I want you to do not going to make sense.
My story. What is your story about now?
You know what I'm saying?
Pardon you. Oh, this lady looks like a duppy. That's supposed to be the point. It's not flat enough to paint it.
Again, my stomach is growling.
I hear it.
Why, I don't know.
Are you hungry?
No, so where is something to clean out the something?
There is no water.
We have to get something to clean out the something.
What's your story about? Is it liquor stone there? Oh. What are you going to do with that rock?
Licky with it?
After you put my name on it. My story is about love.
Your story is about what?
Spirituality and happiness. You see them? One have a happy face, one have a heart and one have a crown. That is my story. Next one is an inspiration stone. So you write words on the stone that will inspire you or inspire your child. That's where the big one comes in.
Clean up thing.
We don't have none. Maybe Benjamin
Yes,
can get it.
but
Oh,
mine.
I love that.
You love what?
This set of stones here.
Oh, Benjamin Franklin. Muchos gracias. Ta-da-da. Do-do-do-do-do. Dum-dum.
This is a faith stone, right? I don't know what you're going to do with that stone, and I'm very disturbed about it. I'm going to put my stone over here since nobody cares to get shot. Neville, if you could just make your belly stop growing, I'd be so happy.
Come over here, Tawara.
You didn't hear it? I will hear it. Peace. Teach myself some calming techniques that never bother me. This is actually a very fun exercise.
Yes,
Kerry, where did you get the stones?
I am thrilled.
Where?
Wiki
Oh,
Waki
Wiki
Beach.
Waki.
That's why the people, anyway, you don't know why I'm not tell where she get it from for them come look for her and take back them stone.
They're not going to take it back.
Remember when they have a problem so them couldn't find the
No, that
the
was
sand?
sand that people stole. Lord, we could even get like a piece of napkin or something too.
Them a fight against it.
I'm seeing it clear. Happy.
You know that I have more talent than I think.
Sure, let's just work with it. I'm just going to work with what you said.
I'm talented, man.
Where did you learn to paint like that? What are you writing? Oh, dream.
Yeah, but me not think
Is
it
this
can.
gold? Can I get some of your yellow?
Yeah, but me not
You
think it
sharing?
can hold, you know.
Bring me down.
Me I put dream, but me don't know if flow light can hold pan. I'll make it work, man. Yeah, see that the Emma drop off, but I don't know nothing.
Family names on a stone. What is rock feet?
Yeah. What? What's the one?
I'm not sure. The last one. What are you gonna write on your last one?
Put my daughter name. One of my daughters.
Okay, so I'll do that with you then.
One of my daughters. Look on screen again. There you go. We're looking at screen again.
Yeah. Dun, 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 dun.
Do-do-do. Do-do-do-do.
Hee hee hee. You and Johnny are on the same wavelength. Don't worry about that,
Yeah.
sister. I got you, girl.
Yeah.
So that's so cool. This is actually a very fun exercise. So if that you guys can source the stones, this is really a fun thing to do with your kiddo.
Do-do-do.
Tongues?
You know that? My creative juices
Just don't make them spill on the
are
set.
flowing. I'm having starving, though. Is it, though? Okay, breads, you know. No, you
Finish.
work with me, not starving,
Arini
Marvin.
Banini, real general. Goodly. Oh my, I was actually going to put my brush in my tea.
In your tea.
Yes, but I saved it just in time. My masterpieces are over. I don't know you're going to write Camilla's name. So
You knew that?
predictable, are you? Yes, of course.
You knew I was going to put the great meal rouge.
I did. Finish.
Vietnam
Really is a
one.
fun exercise, guys. So if you can find the stones, problem is
What
finding
color at
stones
the end? Which color at the end?
For the H,
Yeah.
I would put, so you put red, so 2 green.
And
I
2
don't
yellow.
know. Use all of the color to make.
Blue.
Blue don't fit in there, or you gonna put blue in there? Make one side with yellow, one side with green, and the cross for the H red.
No, you know, say, you win.
That's a contest. Oh, that's so cute. All right. So, guys, you learned something new.
No,
Get
no,
yourself some stones and get yourself some paint and have some fun with your kids for the summer. We'll be right back.
Wait, no, we're not going anywhere till I done, man. Yellow. We're not going anywhere.
How are you never? The yellow look orange though. This is Mr. Bell's daughter's name, one of them.
Camila.
Got the shot?
That's
There you go. Good job, Nev.
Yeah, do me a favor now. 'Cause you can do it better, man. Put a heart on it for me, please.
Where?
Right under the M.
Okay, what color heart you want? One heart coming right up.
Don't
what color
matter.
you want?
Don't matter.
You know, you don't
I
matter
want
what-
the outline. I don't want a full-fledged. Just the outline.
You're a very demanding client.
Yeah. You know, say, that is what I want.
I send you the invoice in the mail.
You know, say, my artistic juices have flowed this morning, folks. It's one of my daughter's name. There you go. Camila. Let me go get it to her.
You can.
I go fling it.
I was just gonna say,
Yeah.
just give it one flang. Have a healthy breakfast.
They have FedEx it.
All right, well, can we break now?
Please do.
Okay, soon come.